traveling, but we take advantage of our seasonal rewards, and we do a lot of traveling, like to places such as Nevada, Louisiana, places like that, New Orleans, Lake Charles, Bossier City, as you can tell by our videos. So doing a lot of travel in Louisiana, we kind of like to enjoy the food and taste a lot of the food that the city has to offer. And one thing we fell in love with was Boudin Balls. So if you guys are familiar with Louisiana, you know what I'm talking about. So what I try to do is try to say, you know what, I think I can make this on my own. So what I did was I sampled like different types of Boudin, and I found out that this brand here is the best tasting Boudin. Closest you're gonna get to New Orleans style Boudin. Very, very good. And so what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna make a video of how to make Boudin balls. So basically all you need is your favorite Boudin, some eggs, some breadcrumbs, these are called panko. You can pick them up at any Walmart or Sam's. And I got the Cajun two-step seasoning, some pepper, also some Cajun dipping sauce, just some normal flour, vegetable oil, and some shredded pepper jack cheese. And over here. Okay. So here you're gonna take your favorite Boudin. You're just pretty much gonna split open the casing, just like so. And you just dump the ingredients into the container. And that's what you're gonna use to make your Boudin ball. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick it in the flour, roll it around in there, get all the flour and the seasoning and the pepper on there. And then you're gonna take it, and you're gonna take it immediately to the eggs, roll it around into the egg, get it coated. And then from there, you're gonna go to your breadcrumbs. You're gonna drop it right in the breadcrumbs. There you go. So you have one nice Boudin ball ready to go. Okay, so once you get them coated, we're gonna drop them in the grease for about 5 to 7 minutes, just like this. All right, so it's been 7 minutes now, so let's go ahead and pull these out of the grease. And there you go, 7 minutes later, we got some nice, fresh Boudin balls ready to go. All right, so here's the finished product. Let's go ahead and cut into that real quick here. And there's the Boudin. And you can use your favorite dipping sauce. In this case, I got a sauce called Cajun two-step. And you can serve this with red beans and rice, some jambalaya you want to, macaroni and cheese, collard greens, whatever you like. So let's go ahead and sample this. Got my wife here holding the camera. And here's sample the first one.
I'm glad.
She says it's very good. So once again, another successful experiment. So let me try this myself.